Into a little pawn shop. There laid some old records in a cardboard box. To be forgot would hurt a lot, don't you think? Someone left them, they were covered in dust. I didn't say nothing, but I wanted to cuss. I'd seen enough, it's really tough, don't you think? If they could hear just one more time Keith Whitley sing, don't close your eyes, they change their minds, oh, don't you think? If just once more they were chilled to the bone by Haggard singing, that's the way love goes, they take him back home, oh, don't you think? Well, there laid Buck and the Buckaroos, Conway and Lefty, and Hank Williams too, with the kind of tunes we can't afford to lose, don't you think? Then I saw Patsy and Tammy Wynette, and there was George Jones, you know he's not ready yet. They'll regret leaving them like that, don't you think? If they could hear just one more time Johnny Horton sing Whispering Pines, they'd change their minds, oh, don't you think? If just once more they were chilled to the bone by Vern Gosden singing Chiseled in Stone, they'd take him back home, oh, don't you think? Where have all the good ones gone, put on a shelf and left there alone? Now that's all wrong, don't you think?